Hi, I'm Tim Gibson, and I'm going to talk to you about refurbishing wood floors. Now, wood floors will give you several years of good look and wear if they are periodically cared for, such as dusted and then using a surface cleaner. However, after several years, they can get scratches, they can get kind of dingy. And so there are some things that we can do to refurbish and actually bring back to life those floors. Now, when we look at refurbishing floors, our last option that we want to look at is sanding and refinishing. We want to try to avoid using a sander. So what we're going to go with is we're going to go with a refinishing system that really depends on chemicals. Now, most of your home improvement stores will have refurbishing kits or refinishing kits that you can work with that will have your solvents and your urethanes and stains and urethanes that you need for a particular look. So that's one way, or you can actually get the components separately. Now, when you're getting ready to refurbish, there are a few things you're going to need. Now, whenever you're dealing with chemicals, you want to make sure that you have chemical-resistant gloves or rubber gloves, and you want to wear goggles to protect your eyes. And then you will need your basic tools. You're going to need a scrubbing applicator. You're going to need what I recommend, a plastic putty knife for when we fill holes, and then you will need your refinisher, and then stain, and then polyurethane. So the first thing we'll do, and we'll just demonstrate when you put your gloves on. First we're going to use a refinisher, and you will apply it with this applicator. And you want to, and now the refinisher will dry very quickly. So we want to work in small areas, say a 2 foot by 2 foot or a 3 foot by 3 foot area. And you're going to take the scrubbing applicator, and you want to start out in a corner, because then you can determine how much you're going to have to scrub and how much you're going to have to work on this. So you'll apply this applicator, and you will scrub that floor down until you get it down to a clean surface. Now, once we've done that, then we'll come back, and any imperfections or any holes will come back, and we will fill with with wood putty, and then you'll need to sand that. And then once you've done that, you can come back with a stain to stain it back so it's a uniform look, and then come back and put a couple coats of polyurethane. And if you take all and do all those steps, then you can actually bring your floors back without sanding to a brand new looking condition. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to refurbish wood floors.